Buongiorno, good morning. Yes, I am all by myself this morning after a very difficult walk yesterday from Greccio to Rieti. We had 21 kilometers, really tough walk. I mean, really brutal. Got up to about 95 degrees over the course by the time we got done. Most of our group has decided today to take the rest and not do a full walk today. So they're doing a short walk. Michelle's leading them.
Say hi, everybody. Hi to Brian.
And I've got a small group walking with me. Today's walk is a long one. We're still walking 20 kilometers today, but fortunately it is, for the first 2/3 of the day, very, very flat. And then we've got a couple of good hills at the end, walking to Poggio San Lorenzo. I am 13 kilometers into the walk today. The rest of the group is just behind me a little bit. We had the first 9 kilometers very, very flat, walking along a dirt and gravel path along the side of the road. Then we started climbing. It was a very, very gradual slope for about 4 kilometers, 3 kilometers. And now at 13, we are about to start the first of 2 moderate climbs. I think each one is about 150 meters up, so about 450 to 500 feet. So they're pretty good size, but making really good time. Still hoping to make it to Poggio San Lorenzo for lunch. And look, I have a little trail friend that I just came across. Apparently, he's going to show me the way. I didn't know until I was up on it that this is a Roman bridge from the 1st century.
Tell me how you're doing.
Good.
How you feeling today?
Doing good.
Feel good? Good lunch?
Yep.
Feel good. Like I know that I would, baby.
You got it.
So good.
So good.
So right.
So right.
I got you.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun. How we feeling here, ladies?
Oh, great.
I had people singing to me a second ago. Would you like to chime in?
Saturday in the park. Don't think it was the 4th of July. Forgetting the words. Anyway, it's not Saturday. It's not 4th of July. But we are in a park and it is gorgeous.